What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates, where you can find a bunch of roller skating tutorials, reviews, and general roller skating lifestyle videos. I'm Rebel, and if you like roller skating or you are trying to learn how to roller skate, this channel is something that I would highly suggest that you subscribe to. And today is actually a very exciting episode because it is the 100th episode on Queer Girl Straight Skates. Woo! I'm super excited, and so today a bunch of my previous skaters, the 10 different types of skaters actually, have all attended a party at my house, and they're going to, I don't know, I think like send messages to me or something, so enjoy it. Yeah, so I'm here for the celebration of Rebel's 100 episodes. Oh, hey. So I really wanted to know, like, when is the photo booth that you said was gonna be here? When is that? Is that not? Oh. Oh. Okay, well, do you at least have a hashtag? Here, let me find it. Hashtag Rebel100. No, you didn't do that either? You know what, like, honestly, I don't really get the whole YouTube thing, but I'm really happy for you. Like, I'm glad that you're doing something that you love. I mean, I still have more Instagram followers than you have subscribers, but that's fine. I mean, the best content gets the most followers, am I right? Hey, don't forget to link my Instagram in the description bar, okay? Thanks. Congratulations! Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I can't believe you made 100 videos. How did you even come up with 100 ideas? That only took you like a little over a year to come up with 100 ideas, and you're just supposed to keep going? You have like 100 more ideas? Do you have more than 100 ideas? How are you gonna keep going after you've like ran out of ideas? Like are you gonna do this forever? Like, what's your plan? Oh, I'm stressed. But like, I'm super happy for you. I don't wanna do it, but great job. As you know, I've been counting down the days until this very moment. I am so happy for you, Rebel. I cannot believe that this is 100 episodes. Granted, I don't think that you fully appreciate it because I was the one who told you that you were on your 100th episode, but that's okay. I'm so glad that I could arrange this party for you. I just want to tell you that I think you're amazing and that you're so loved. So me and all of my friends, we signed this card and it's just for you. So take it and read it later, and you don't have to tell me, but I really think you're gonna cry.
Where did you meet your friends?
I found them in Shov's trunk.
That's not weird at all.
They're just heads. Anyways, so I, with my friends as my backup singers, have written a song for you, Rebel. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. If you could give me a little backup. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. It is your 100th episode, and we're so proud of you. You're amazing. You do all the things on YouTube, and we think it's really great. Hey! Good morning. 5 p.m. What's up? What are we doing today?
It's Rebel's 100th episode.
Dope. Are you serious?
Yeah, dude.
100 episodes. Gnarly. I can't believe it's been 100 episodes. Didn't she just start YouTube like last week or something? That's so crazy. Is that why there's cake in there?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Is it special cake?
No, dude, just regular cake.
Ah, that's okay. I can make special cake later. Sick. Dope, dude, I'm so proud of you. That's sick. Yeah, 100 videos. How many of those was I in? Like, at least 10, right? This is only the third one? Oh.
Yeah.
That's cool though. You're welcome, Rebel. I'm gonna go get some of that cake.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to the rink. Duh. What are you doing?
You didn't know it's Rebel's 100th episode today?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Is there a party?
I mean, not really.
No party?
There's cake.
I think I'll just go to the rink anyways. Congrats though. That's cool.
Why are you wearing your skates inside?
Oh, well, because Rebel says that one of the best ways to get used to your skates is to wear them all the time. So I'm wearing them inside my house. I'm just watching TV.
And why do you have a helmet on?
Because I don't want what happened to the rink skater to happen to me. Have you seen? She's so mean now.
So what do you think about Rebel getting 100 videos?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe it's been 100 videos. I've watched like all of them, but I should watch the rest of them. So I'll probably stay up all night and watch all of them tonight. But I do have so many questions still. So she has so many videos left to do. Like, I need to know how to lace my skates properly. I need to know like how to put different plates on my skates. I need to know like how to clean my bearings. Like, I have so many questions. I need Rebel to answer them all. Rebel, why are you partying? You need to go. Start recording now. Hey dude, happy 100 episodes. I'm so stoked for you. In your honor, I decided that I would invent a trick and I would name it the Rebel. And so this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go do the trick, and once I finish the trick, I have to yell, nailed it. And when I yell, nailed it, that's when you know I've done the Rebel 100th episode trick. All right? Okay, let me show you. So ready for this? I definitely made this up ahead of time and I'm not thinking about it right now. 1, 0, 0, Rebel! Nailed it. Yo dude, congratulations. I cannot believe that you have been doing this for 100 episodes and you still don't have any sponsors. Are you kidding me? Yo, someone who's watching this, please sponsor this girl. It's sad. I don't even know how many sponsors I have, but it sure as hell is like way more than this girl because she has 0. Anyways, I'm stoked that you made it this far. I literally don't know how you've done it without sponsors, but like, okay. Hey, and as always, thank you to CIB, S1, and Red Bull. Sponsors. Nailed it. Oh, hey, what's up? I heard you hit 100 videos. That's pretty sick. Yeah, but when was the last time you did a derby drill? I see you have all these dreams of being a YouTube star, but what about dreaming of being a derby star? You just forgot about that? Yeah, that's fine. Nah, I'm just kidding with you, loser. Congratulations. Tequila's on me later. Let's party like it's RollerCon. Oh my gosh, 100 episodes. I can't believe it. Like, the time has flown. I can't believe I've made that many episodes. Like, this channel and the roller skate community means so much to me, and I couldn't do what I'm doing without all of you. And so I'm just so grateful, and I'm so proud of myself. Just like from the first time that I made a video to now, like, I've learned so much and I've grown so much, and wouldn't be the YouTuber without a plane going overhead. I'm so stoked to be on YouTube and to be helping you learn how to skate, and here's to 100 more. Hi Mom, I just wanted to say I'm so proud of you, but now that it's been 100 episodes, I feel like maybe the people should know the truth, and that is then I am the star of Queer Girl Straight Skates. You're not. I mean, they'll figure it out eventually, but good job anyways. Thank you for being my creative director and my filmer and helping me rise in fame. I'll always thank you when I am so famous that Nicolas Cage is coming over to my house and little Bow Wow is like, let's have lunch, Bowie. Anyways, you're the best, Mom. I love you.
Hey, babe. I mean, Rebel. I'm so proud of you. 100 episodes. I can remember having to record you with an iPhone, a really bad iPhone. And look at us now. Sometimes it's really frustrating because you don't listen to me, but it's fine. I'll be here to shoot 100 more unless you get like so famous that you hire some big Hollywood hotshot. Anyways, I'm super proud of you. Here's to 100 more. Love ya. Yay, it's so pretty. Are you gonna make a wish? 100 episode?
Happy 100 episodes! Yay!
So tell me about how you feel about your 100th episode.
I am so proud. I'm honestly just like, I can't believe that I've done 100 episodes of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates has become so much more than I ever dreamed that it would ever become, and I'm so grateful for all of you for watching, and I'm so proud of myself. I've learned so much over the last 100 episodes, and I feel like there's so many more like great things that is going to happen on Queer Girl Straight Skates. So yeah. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Thank you for celebrating my 100th episode with me. You all being here is one of the reasons why I'm able to even be at 100 episodes. So thank you so, so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And anything that you want to see, just throw it in the comments. Maybe I'll make an episode about it. And if you want to support me, you can go on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. You'll actually see a video of me really failing a million times to make this cake. Yeah. Or you could buy some stickers off my Etsy. And most importantly, cheers to the queers. Bo, you want to make a wish? We can blow out the candles together. Okay. Oh, that's not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to blow out sparklers. Do you like my roller skate cake? All of you wanted to see a roller skate cake, so I made one.